Hi, this is the Atem Mini Extreme ISO live stream and record unboxing. So, I'm not really, this isn't going to be your usual unboxing because I'm not really going to talk about the things inside it and about how much I know because I don't know a huge amount about this, but I know what the function is and it's serving my function. So, but a good sign is I do see that. That's a nice sign, isn't it? Go and watch some videos, and it must trust very much in itself. Now, the packaging it came in wasn't too sturdy. But let's see what the crack is. So, what this video is really about is really about me talking about the end of my channel, really, this channel where I'm talking right now. Not really the end. The channel will continue to exist. I'll try to keep it existing, and I'll re-release some of the old videos I hid and stuff like that, but let them be seen again. I think I have about 300 videos on that channel. But anyway, and so I'm just not going to upload to it anymore. And why is that? Why is that happening? So here's the unboxing. It's just the thing itself. And what is this thing? You know, for those of you who don't have a clue what I'm doing. This is it's a HDMI viewer. And also like a switcher. So what it is yeah, even though my channel is ending, etc. You know, no, even though my channel is ending, I have bought this, which is a switcher, which is for having many inputs, many cameras coming in, and having them all up on the screen at the same time, and being able to switch from one to the other. You know, being able to switch from one to the other. Yeah, sorry, my mum's distracting me. Sorry, I'm her caregiver. She's okay. But anyway, being able to switch from one to the other, and also just zoom in on one, or just have one fill the frame, you know, select one. And this is because I have multiple cameras, so 8 or so I would say, and it's suitable here, 8. So obviously I intend to continue, you know, even though YouTube has been a disaster, really, and everywhere else, TikTok, everywhere else. I might give decentralized a go. I might not bother. But you know, so why I've come to this conclusion is that I have noticed, you know, I now have evidence of a very clear evidence of a shadow ban, and multiple pieces of evidence of a shadow ban on me that's been going on at least 2 years. You know, interestingly, it goes back to me announcing that about Mars mystery object, and talking about how momentous it was going to be, and I had a fear that that was going to be controlled, so I was being very careful in its release. And it's strange. It's I'm an INFJ, but I'd be more the Sigma variety. But yeah, I'd be an INFJ, and my intuition told, you know, made me sense that, you know, not just this was going to be controlled, but it led to everything being controlled, so that I became controlled completely. And I'll be able to show evidence of that. That'll be the next video after this. And then so the switcher anyway is gonna, obviously I'm going to keep things going in some way, and yeah, so I was just controlled every which way to such an extent that there's no point in me uploading anything, because it's almost like I'm on a cap, you know. Actually, the same cap that X had me on. X had me on a 150 cap for a while, and then all of a sudden they give me 7,000 views for a link. That's the craziness we're talking about. It's like it's all over the place. So anyway, that's a box of plugs and stuff. Hold on, let's see. Well, we'll take a look. So the next video will be me showing the evidence of this shutter ban. Very clear evidence. And then it'll be me, then the next video. These could come 6 months apart. I'm in no rush anymore because I know they're only going to get maybe 50 views or something, even worse, 20, because they're less, 5 or 3, because they're talking about censorship and stuff. So yeah, as will this one. We'll get low views. There's really a watchful eye being kept on me all over, like the mad one. I'm going to re-release the I'm going to unhide these videos, like about TikTok tip block, where my likes were only lasting for you go on there and you like something that I've put up and just stay, and your like will last for, it seems like 3 seconds on the dot, and then it just poof disappears. Isn't that great? So yeah, these places, they really do offer some good facilities like that. But I will I might try decentralized. I do have projectors that can be played anywhere in indoors, outdoors, day or night. That's a plan for the future. Although when I can initiate that is unknown because I'm a caregiver. So yeah, it's on the back burner for now. But hopefully this will not be in the back burner. Hopefully I can get this operational pretty soon. See, what I would have is also a little monitor. So if you imagine a large tripod, which I do have, and say the 8 cameras situated, maybe I would try to aim for triangular, and then maybe at the top of the triangle you'd have maybe not the top, well, right in the middle of the triangle you might have the hitch or the monitor where you would view all this, and then this would be the switcher just down below it, like a keyboard, although quite a heavy keyboard, although not too bad. I can carry that around. That's what I'm looking for too. I'm looking for portability so that I can I'm always on the move, God knows where, anywhere, everywhere, especially where there is no one. It's the best place to see things. I'm going to be investigating water soon. That's one of the other things. Oh yes, now I have a big fancy thermal camera now. That's going to act like my radar. So yeah, it's not over for me. I will, as I'm ending, I will, say to people, if you want to stay, if you want to find out, stay in contact by email, and who knows, I might have news for you in the future or whatever, a new something. I might be showing footage again. The footage hasn't stopped. The footage only increases. Currently, I'm investigating IRU with the help of an AI system, and I'm looking at the angles of the triangles, and it has basically told me that, because everywhere that the anomaly stops, this is IRU speaking with aliens. Everywhere where it stops forms a triangle, often where there's no other stars. It sits beside 2 other stars perfectly to form a equilateral triangle. That's what I figured, and supposedly yeah they all are fairly close to equilateral, at least fairly close. But so I'm looking at the flashes, trying to find patterns, seeing if there's some form of communication, language even. So yeah, things are a go for me, even though they are slow here and soon to end, alas. Oh well. It was a lot of hassle. I'm glad to see the back of it, all the best.